take my pattern and I'm gonna start to make the panel jeans. So similar to these, the first step, so you get your pattern. If you want one, there's a link in my bio. You can have a free pattern. Not a paper bag, but you can print it out. It's a PDF. So you gotta cut up the side of the jeans. So outer seam, like so. So then the pants are open on the sides. So then, if I look at my groovy pattern, the tip at the top, I'm just gonna fold the bottom. And I also have this tea towel, which would also be kind of cool. If I cut the tea towel in half, I could use half for one side, and we'll cut out the pattern. Get the maximum amount of flowers. Is turn them inside out at this point. So the jeans are inside out, and you notice that this is the right side of the jeans over here, and this is the right side of the panel. So we're gonna do right sides to right side. And because people usually ask me to do the point, I usually put a little extra fabric right above. And don't worry if this gets shorter, because you can always cut these shorter. Typically what I do is sew the point first with the regular machine, and then I'll probably use the serger for the rest of it. So I used my serger and I serged both sides. This one looks very proper. Then we can see this side, and I always like to check the point. We can always put something. All right, so here's what we've got. Simple, clean lines. I'll probably just clean up the bottoms. Bottoms are cut raw on the jeans, so they will fray. Here's what we've got so far. I think I'm gonna put something on each of. All right, so we got some hearts. Cute little hearts on both sides. This one's fun. It's very sweet. It's a size 25. Side view. California wear.